Are we gonna shoot birds this morning?
We are gonna shoot birds this morning. We got some nasty weather. It's not looking pretty as far as weather, but we'll brave it out and we'll shoot some birds. It's gonna be greasy.
Single shot, baby.
Shoot them!
Holy shit!
Yeah!
That one's gonna land right here too.
He's coming back. Well, the geese are starting to come in. We had a single come in. Mikey got that one, and then we had 4 come in, do it dirty, and we got all 4 of them down on the ground. So super cool. We got 5 birds already. Hopefully some more flocks, do it dirty here, and we can knock some more down.
Yep, right there, big flock, big group.
Oh God, yeah.
Got him!
Hey, I got one, boys. The single shot is clapping, dude. Oh my God. There we go. My GoPro fell off my hand.
Hopefully my gun don't jam this time.
Center up for us, huh?
Kill him!
No, that was pretty good shooting, boys.
Nice!
Single's coming back. Never mind. Sorry.
I took 1 shot and I dropped 1
That was
bird.
pretty good shooting, you guys. Hit one and I win. That was impressive.
This is happening. This keeps happening.
I didn't see that group off to the right, like
I-
the pod on the right side. I saw like
Yeah,
5
these ones right
here.
here.
Yeah.
I would have called it the first. Called it before.
Just knocked down a couple flocks here that came in. How many birds we got now? Like 6, 17, something like that? So we got a nice little flock of birds right now. The rain is really starting to come down now, so I'm not really sure what's gonna happen from here on out, but we're gonna keep chilling in here and hopefully some more flocks show up and they do it dirty.
Get him!
Woo! Nice!
Good stuff.
Shoot him!
More shots, boys.
4 more!
There goes another.
Get him!
You guys just. You guys, everyone I beat it up on just died.
Get him!
Damn.
I think the old 20 gauge might have gotten that one.
That was kind of a poke.
We're gonna come back again. They're gonna come back.
They're coming back.
Are they?
I just got another gun here.
Get him!
Oh my god, dude. Dude, this goes insane. Oh my god, dude. Oh my.
12 seconds later.
Post interview?
I told you it was gonna be greasy.
Dude, that was awesome.
That was sweet.
lit, dude.
That was awesome. What we haven't even like officially counted. We kind of mid-hunt counted. We think we have 64. We can shoot more than that in North Dakota. We can shoot 15 apiece, so we're not even close to our limit, but we got a lot of geese regardless. That was awesome.
That had to have been by far one of the best hunts that I have ever been a part of. Heading out to North Dakota, seeing the land and the amount of birds that are out there was absolutely incredible. So huge shout out to the Smackdom guys for getting us out there, getting us on some geese. I think I'm gonna be going back in October again to do some duck hunting out there with those guys once again. So awesome hunt, awesome time with all of the guys that were out there, and I'm definitely looking forward to getting back out there and doing some more hunts with those guys. So if you guys enjoyed this video, as always, be sure to go down and hit that subscribe button down below. Also, give this video a big thumbs up if you guys enjoy hunting videos, because there's going to be plenty more to come as we roll into October and November here in Wisconsin. Deer hunting's coming up, and as those temperatures really start to fall, we're going to get a new push of Canadian geese and as well as ducks here in Wisconsin. So we're really looking forward to all that stuff. If you guys want to see more videos like that, like I said, hit that thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, and we will be sure to post some awesome new content here in the near future. Once again, before you guys take off, if you haven't already, head on over to www.TideWe.com. Check out some of the new products that we got coming out here at TideWe. They're absolutely stellar. You guys are going to love them. Be sure to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok if you're not already as well, to stay up to date on all of those items that are coming your way very soon. Thank you guys again so much for watching. As always, I'm Cody from TideWe, and we'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.